All right, good morning. We've got some big changes that are happening right now. I'm wearing my warmer jacket because it's cold out here. We've got temps in the 50s, and we also have a little bit of wind that's moved in. So, take it from me. If you want to be comfortable, I think something warmer is going to be a good call today and for the days ahead, because we're going to remain in the 70s that arrived today all the way through the weekend. Now, you're all wondering, okay, what's going on with this storm for the weekend? Well, a little bit more about that in a second. Let's talk about the positives. The air quality is pretty good right now. It will remain so and actually get better day by day through the weekend. And there's the temperatures. Broadly speaking, we've got 50s down low, 60s for the thermal belt, which is the between 1,000 and 3,000 feet in the lower Sierra foothills, and then some 30s up high. And we've got some breezy conditions early this morning that should pick up by this afternoon. Not a very windy day, but it certainly will be part of what you need to plan for in the hours ahead. Cloud cover is also another thing that showed up yesterday that will be with us through much of the day. Highs in the mid-70s, folks. This is below average and about a 10-degree drop for many locations just within 24 hours. So you're going to notice how much different it looks and feels outside. And the smoke issues, just a few areas here and there, lower foothills for the Central Sierra, up closer to the August Complex fire in that coastal valley there near Eureka. That's where we're going to be looking at a little bit of smoke. But this is really the big story. This cutoff low comes closer and closer to us, and for the most part what it's going to do is keep the cooler conditions around, number one. It's going to add in a lot of humidity, which is great for squashing the fires that are still ongoing. And I think in some of those spots far northern California, yeah, you're going to get a little rain. And even for our local area in the higher elevations, we're going to get a little rain. It's just the valley that's going to struggle with getting much at all. It's just one of the little changes. It's unfortunate, but that's the way it's looking right now. Things could change. We're still not there yet, but that's the way it's looking right now. And that's the only game in town as we're looking at just a brief chance for some showers, mostly north of us and higher elevations, but I still put it in the 10-day just because it's the first storm of the season and things remain to be seen until it actually gets here.